how to reinstall Windows 10 or Windows 11 on your computer. So first you want to right click on the start button, and then you want to open up the settings. And then in the settings page, you want to type in the search bar right here, reset, and then click on reset this PC. Now under reset this PC, you want to click on get started. And you should be provided with two options. The first one is to basically remove apps and settings but keep your personal files. And the second one will remove everything, including your personal apps, files, and settings. Now, this is basically useful when you think your PC is getting slower, or you probably have a virus or a backdoor or something like that, and you want to get rid of everything at once. And this actually doesn't require you to basically have a flash drive or CD or whatever to reinstall Windows from. So I recommend choosing the second option if you keep a backup of your own files. Click on remove everything, and then follow along with the steps right here. And then choose local reinstall to reinstall Windows from this device, or you can basically use cloud download to download Windows and reinstall it from the internet basically. And now usually the cloud download will basically get you the latest version, and the local reinstall is a backup option if you have a slow internet. So you can choose whichever one you want, and then basically continue along to finish this process. Click on the next button right here. And this should basically start the process of resetting your PC. So it's just a matter of time. And once you press the reset button, this should basically start the process immediately. And it will take a while to restart your PC, as it says in the notes right here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.